Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete your AliExpress account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, to the video. So to delete your AliExpress account, open the any browser that you prefer using and head into aliexpress.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead into your profiles and then head into your settings. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click on Manage My Account over here on the right-hand side of your screen. And as you can see, the chatbot is going to go ahead and start up. You can simply go ahead and click on this logged in account and click on delete account. It is as simple as that. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and head into this link, which is going to simply go ahead and head you to the delete account link. All you need to do is just go ahead and enter your password and your account will be deleted. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.